She's trying to get him. This video is about the Slot Canyon Trail in Southern California. We camped overnight and the camping spot posted up right beside the Salton Sea. The sunrise was beautiful. Headed to the Salton Sea this morning. It was a nice, great temperature for camping out. Tent was good. Packing up a campsite takes a lot of work, and the items that are used need to be treated with care and packed neatly. We used blow-up mats for our cushion against the ground, and they worked great. After cleaning up, it was time to head over to the Slot Canyon Trail. This was about 20 miles west of the Salton Sea and an easy drive to the trailhead. Two-wheel drive cars can easily access this trail. The drive through the desert was peaceful and the roads were easy. Upon arrival, there were a few cars already. The cost for parking is $10 and can be done through your phone. This depends on if there are park rangers around collecting fees, because at one point this hike was free. The canyon is in Anza Borrego Desert State Park. It is a 0.8 mile trek and is capped off with a passage beneath a gravity-defying rock span. The hike itself is only 100 feet of elevation loss. The passage weaves in between siltstone and is a pretty exciting hike for most. The best times to visit this hike is spring and fall. Early morning or late evening is always smart because of the sun not being directly overhead. Temperatures will usually range between 70 degrees to 85 degrees during this time. In the summer, temperatures easily reach above 100 degrees. If you decide to go in the summer, make sure to pack lots of water and drink it throughout the hike. If you are going during a busy season, some people have claimed to have waited 30 to 40 minutes to be allowed in due to not many parking spaces. Be sure to take into consideration the rainy season when visiting the canyon, because there are possibilities of flash flooding in the slot. So take a look at the weather and plan before going on the hike. Flash flooding can be dangerous and can cause injury or death. For hikers who are not comfortable with small spaces, this may not be the best hike for you. There are some areas where you will have to squeeze between tight gaps to get through. Backpacks and camelbacks will have to come off for most people to squeeze through some of the 2-foot gaps. Once making it through the canyon, you can decide to take the loop trail around the outside of the canyon back or turn around in the canyon and hike back out. We decided to hike straight in and hike back out due to seeing other desert sights. Overall, this was an amazing and beautiful hike. I would encourage anyone in the area or visiting to give this a try.